like a Hellcat.
Let me do the intro.
What? I just want to say hi.
This time I'm building a train.
Guys.
Chuggy Choo.
That was the most depressing train I've ever heard.
Most depressing. YouTube Rewind 2020.
Let's bop it. Look at my blue car. So let's bopping. Look at my blue car.
I will smite you. Okay. Same as last time, except for this time I'm building a train.
And I am
And
building literally the same exact thing, but different flavor.
It also comes with another stand. This one doesn't look. Oh.
So
okay, baby, mommy opened it for you.
Okay, it comes with another stand.
Open sesame.
I love how my videos have no intro at all. Like it's just.
Open my blue. Half of YouTubers don't have their intros. It just have a logo for the channel.
Wait.
Not a shout out, but isn't it does it?
It's cut the top.
Isn't it?
Oh no.
Okay, let's
Say something.
check him out. He's a cool dude.
Check who ha ha.
Nothing. He's a YouTuber. They will never understand. You know Big Bear. Now, let's open this.
Oh yes, cut the top off. Cut it.
That smells,
Right there.
that smells like cookies. It smells like cookie dough. My mom's favorite cookie dough.
Careful.
Cookie dough.
You want to cut a little bigger?
Now, what?
Yes.
Careful.
And
Lick it off. It's frosting. Frosting. Eat it.
Ooh, it smells really good.
No, don't wipe it on the table. Here's a napkin.
Father,
I'm gonna.
Mason, that does smell really
Alright, I'm gonna get everything situated.
Father,
And I'm gonna
confused on
unpause
what I the roof on this.
Alright. I think I got everything open. I think I got everything situated.
Oh, some freaking Hershey's.
Yes, I have Hershey's. What?
You got all of the candy. What?
I got
I
got Kisses. I got Hershey's Kisses.
Yours
I
is
got
Nestle's
mini
Full House. His is Hershey's Chocolate.
That's because it's Hershey's.
That's why you got
Reavers is from Nestle.
Nestle.
I thought this.
Nestle.
I
Isn't
thought.
that like a
Easy, baby.
I don't-
Easy.
no. I don't actually know how to put
Want
this
more
together.
cookies?
There's instructions on the back.
Okay, so I need to have all my. There are so many
Come
pieces.
on. Yum, 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 yum. Justice, yum, justice, yum, 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 yum,
Oh no! Oh god! Oh, thank God they break apart smoothly.
Straight vibe.
I'm supposedly supposed to break these. No, this box is in the way of the camera. I'm supposed to break these apart. Thank God. They break apart smoothly. I was like, oh God, if I mess up even slightly, I actually don't know if I'm supposed to break this one apart or not. Oh, this one's gonna be way longer than 40 minutes. Like my last one was. Oh God, what?
Are we allowed to say each other's names in this one as well?
I don't care.
Miles.
I hate you.
You just said you don't care.
Yeah, but don't make it obvious that that's my name.
Don't call me a dipshit.
Guys.
Attack. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. I gotta check something bumping. This is also supposed to come apart. I feel doggos by my feet. Luna, come here. You'll be part of quality content. I do not. Just disclaimer: I do not post quality content.
Come here, Bubbles. Come here, Bubbles. Come here, Luna. We got our chug.
The Chuggle-Puggo.
The original name was Leia, but my sister couldn't say Luna. I mean Leia, so now we got Luna.
Wait, look at what Liz is doing.
This is just eating.
Alright. Does this thing come with actual instructions, or do I just have to read the box? I guess I just have to read the box.
If Lizzie's done with all her frosting, like at the end, and me and Mouse are still doing ours, could I use her frosting if you had it? No? She's just drinking it. It's frickin'.
Okay. Okay, that's okay.
I see where that went.
Alright, I know what I'm supposed to be doing now.
No.
Luna.
No,
Dad,
Dad, please. No.
What? Why would I ever?
Ever see Danny?
Yes.
I feel like that's a lie.
Dantidium was like my childhood hero.
Huh, it was you too?
Yes.
So I think that's the kind Mark was my childhood hero.
No, I never really watched Mark or Sean until I was like 11, and then Elijah and Ethan introduced it to me.
Which Ethan?
Our half cousin Ethan.
Eli's cousin?
Yeah, Eli's cousin.
Yeah, no.
He introduced me to Jacksepticeye. Funny Irish bastard he is.
This is not a shout out.
It is a shout out.
No.
You do not control my channel. I mean, technically I'm going to be sending you the video and you're going to be making your own copy of it, but yeah, you don't control my channel. Copyright, stop. Stop. I don't want copyright.
Do you get 7 strikes?
You get 3 copyright strikes, and then they take down your channel.
No. I thought it was a Google account.
No, they just take down your YouTube channel. And they also block your Google account so you can't post any more videos.
It has a bunch of dumb. It's a bunch of dumb.
Well, technically I can put other people's music in, but I'm also going to have to put a link in the description to a YouTube video of the music that the owner actually owns. I would also have to put the name, and I'm just not, I don't feel like it. Okay. This train is hard. Alright, I'm gonna stop the video just so I don't. I'm not actually gonna stop it. I'm gonna pause it and then I'm gonna skip to time lapse.
Well, we're back.
Yeah, that was a time lapse. And
now he has this.
Hey guys, I'm Corey from Corey's World.
That's a fan. You said you actually used to have a YouTube channel? Please, for all things holy, please say it was called Corey's World.
No.
Oh no.
Oh no.
What was it called?
I think it was like Arnold's Adventures or something like that.
What the hell? What?
What's your name?
I'm gonna look that up later. See what comes up.
Miles?
Let's see what kind of content you used to make.
It's like Gamer Reacts.
Like,
Two.
well,
Guaranteed didn't play
just like,
Minecraft Hardcore.
Me at work doing Arnold Schwarzenegger voice.
oh yeah, that's some quality content. Well, we go back and check on it. It's like 4 million subscribers.
Like we were,
You could be like,
we were using the crane and we were moving this big giant hopper. It was a hopper for some chemical plant. And I got my phone, I stood back and I recorded it being, and I was like, get to the hopper. Instead of the chopper, the hopper.
I'm not joking. That actually sounds like... I'll check that later. It probably has like... Anything with Arnold Schwarzenegger like immediately gets like 4 million views. You could be like...
Miles?
Not if you don't.
Look at my tour!
You could be a multi-millionaire right now. Off of ad revenue.
You wanna try my green? Gamer gets pissed after Mom
I give her a
steals
lot
my
of frosting. Mason wants some green, just so you know.
Ready?
Mason asked to use some of that.
Can Mason have some green first? Can Mason use your green?
I don't care. It doesn't really stick.
Here.
Try to fit.
Alright. My train's engine is done.
I want to see
Now-
if this is actually good.
It's time to start decorating it.
Hi, Zero.
Another cheap time lapse. Alright, I'm done the train. I'm done the twain. Actually, I'm not done. I still need to build all the cars. This shouldn't be as hard.
Look, I cleaned it.
Very good.
Is he watching Chop Jr. up there?
He is.
Oh, okay. I love how I'm recording a video and there's like 4 million other sounds in the background.
Wait, you're recording?
Yeah, I'm gonna start up again.
Christmas pajamas.
I love your soft Christmas pajamas.
I wear them all for bed.
Yeah.
I might not want to wear the shirt.
Why? So.
Shut up to Joe. He doesn't. He hates it, but I love it.
I don't hate jelly. I'm just saying it's personally not my taste. Watching a guy make fake drinks and then claiming, oh my god, don't drink the wrong bendy drink doesn't amuse me.
That's not what Joe does. What the fuck? Terrible.
I've seen your search history.
You haven't touched my
Your
phone.
Chrome search history.
I watch YouTube on that. I watched one dream episode. Not only for the guy.
Oh, Dream? Dream's amazing.
Okay, that's it. Luna! Luna! How is the hell are you doing?
Mace, out front of this table.
So, just making a conversation. I've been playing Skyrim lately.
We all
I'm talking
know.
to the subscribers, not you. Wait. Oh. Oh god, no.
Some purple. I need the purple. Oh. I'm gonna eat all our... Yep. Purple! Hey, give me my purple back. Where's my blue?
Oh, Griefer probably stole it.
Where's my blue? You can call me Mason. I call you Miles.
Shut it. Or die.
Mom.
Miles.
Mom. She only had a little.
Alright, so I've assembled 2 of the extra carts. Now it's time to decorate the 2 carts. Now this part I'm actually going to record for.
Miles, I don't allow you to use anything from this. Well, I'm still decorating.
Chocolate.
Chocolate is good. Me, Peter.
You clean Peter mess.
Hot, so good. Copycat. Cup. slime ball. Look. Look. Look, it's a slime ball from Minecraft. My Miles. Give me a chocolate. Nom nom.
No.
Be a good girl.
I'm not a girl, Lizzie.
He's a boy. Be a good boy.
No, Miles is a bad boy.
No, you're not. Bad boy
Yes, I
for
am.
life.
No, that's mine.
Oh,
Lizzie, no, that's not.
it's not a play toy, Elizabeth.
That's death.
Lizzie, how would you like if Death right now knocked on our door and said, "I'm here for Elizabeth Martin"? How would you feel? First thing I would do, fill the house with yellow liquid. You understand?
First thing
right?
I would do in the act of a robbery, piss on the floor. Piss on the floor out of pure fear.
It's like, here's what I can see that. Oh,
Husband.
just yellow fills the entire room.
Mm-hmm.
Mouse. Oh.
I'm getting fat.
Mouse is 2020. It's either you're fat or you're skinny and have no. It's either you're fat and have no friends or skinny and have no friends. It's 2020. It's a year
Or
of instant
somehow-
outrage.
Or somehow you end up having the perfect body.
I'm getting all the ladies.
There's like a 0.00002.2% chance of that happening.
So 2.0.1. Clearly, I was born the opposite. I know it looks like
Chub.
I'm skinny. I'm fat as a freaking pig.
Ah, demonetized.
I don't care.
Do you want me?
Fat as a pig.
Reefer, if my channel gets demonetized,
I don't know what the hell demonetized is.
the police will never find your corpse.
Okay, yeah, now you're definitely getting demonetized. Are you recording?
Yes.
No, I just heard that.
I want to see if this tastes any different.
No! No! Yuck! 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 Get diabetes off of me! Yuck! 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 Come! That's what she said. Oh! Oh! Did you just give my thing diabetes? Dun, 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 dun.
We will fight right here, and the whole world will see how much more powerful I am than you.
Ow!
Grab.
Ah! God.
No, stop it. I don't want to get
Dang
demonetized.
But that's what I want you to.
Alright, then I guess I ain't sent you the video.
Fine. It's my fault you're being an ass.
I have full power over him.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
This is a life of freedom. See, I'm not a Karen, but this is a life of freedom.
Yeet. There we go. I'm done. I made a gorgeous train.
And I made a not too good house.
Yeah, alright. Let's escape. I'm done. I'm out of here. I'm escaping.
You guys, I'm going to bed.
Just letting everyone know right now, Lizzie made cookies. I made a train, Griefer made a house, and Lizzie made cookies, and they're really good cookies.
They are.
I did make cookies.
A good cookie.
Elizabeth, stop. Here.